US crude first got the resistance on the upside from 76.8, 77.2 zone. As I mentioned in my analysis that it is going to be a good resistance zone. At the same time, it failed to break on the downside as well and got the support from $75 levels. But on the other hand, NG has traded bullish and in fact has achieved 2.75, though yet it has failed to breach 2.8 levels, which is a stronger resistance zone. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update for oil will be released before the US session, precisely 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into WTI oil followed with NG. Watch till the end. And if you look at the hourly charts, firstly 75 is a very good resistance. I have told several times 75, 74 levels you should watch out for. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see it is consolidated, it is trying to give a breakout. But remember, still it has got resistance. As you can see on the hourly charts, multiple candles getting reversed from 76.4, 76.5, 76.8 levels, and this zone makes it a very stronger resistance zone. But still, one more important point is the support it is getting from the higher levels 74, 74.5, 75. So it is still trying to create a bullish channel of its own, and my only worry point is this time it is fallen shy of achieving the highs here. If it could have reversed from 77.2 levels or so, possibly that would have been a good indication that it is trying to trade bullish. However, look at the hourly charts. After reversing a bit, trying to break on the upside, you can buy here at 76, expect 76.4, 76.8 levels as the next resistance, and then we might see 77.2. Only and only if you see it trading above 77.2, you can expect that there is little more rise till 78 levels, and beyond that bullishness is confirmed. Now if you look at the directional movement, so far is bearish. Stochastic is seen rising. It has come to near to overbought levels. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is almost crossed over. I will wait for it to diverge a little in order to continue the bullish momentum. RSI trading flat here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see one green candle consolidation. Now this breakout, wait for it to stay about 76. Little more bullishness might take it for 76.4, 76.6, 76.8 levels. Be careful till 76.8, where you may find the next stronger resistance till then, beyond that 77.2 levels. If it breaks beyond 77.2, confirm that it is trying to reverse. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising. The MACD is in bearish zone. It is trying to converge crossover. And if you look at the RSI, this is also trying to look upwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Similar is the observation. One red candle, then retracement candles here. Wait for 76.4 and beyond that little confirmation. At the same time, remember, once it stays below 75.6 levels, you can sell there for 75.2, 75 zone, and once it stays below 75, then only confirm that it is trying to reverse for a sell for 74 and 73.8. Remember, till the time it stays above 73.8, do not consider this as bearish. Directional movement is bearish here, stochastic reversing, looking upwards. MACD not indicative of anything. RSI flat here. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour charts, couple of red candles, indecision candle or a reversal candle, and now it is trying to take the path again on the upside. So possibly, and also you can see higher support levels, higher highs, higher lows are seen. Possibly once it stays above 76, you can buy, but then we have to be extremely cautious, alert and warned. Till 77.2, we can always expect a reversal here and should not be considered as bullish. In fact, beyond 77.2, we may find the next stronger resistance at 78 levels. And if you look at the directional movement on the 4-hour charts, is bearish, stochastic reversing, MACD is in green, RSI is also trying to look upwards. And if you look at the daily chart, now see daily candle here is yet to be formed, new candle is yet to start. Also, if you look at on the downside, higher lows for previous few candles, higher highs, the support there at 75 indeed is very very strong. Today, when you see it selling below, trading below 75.6 or 75.5 rather, you can sell, but then expect 75.2, 75 as the stronger support zone, and only if, once again I am reiterating it, only and only if you see it trading below 74, 73.8 zone, consider it bearish, and then we may see a good drop below that zone which might take it for 70 to 70 and below levels. On the upside, it has to break past 77. Now see, on the daily chart, this is also 20 period moving average, which is going to give it a very very good resistance. Right now, if you look at all the 20, 50, 100 period moving average trading with divergence, and if you look at the 20 period specifically, is trying to converge a bit. So 77 and 78 zone it has to break past by in order to confirm the bullishness. Directional movement bearish, stochastic has come to near to overbought levels. The MACD is still bearish, trading with little divergence. RSI almost trading with a flat or negative slope or negative bias. Considering this, for the day, you can sell at 75.5 levels and expect 75.2, 75 as the maximum support zone, and below that you can expect a little drop for 74.5 and 74 levels, and below that only you can expect a little more drop or crash. On the upside, you can buy here at 76 levels, but then 76.4, 76.8 and 77.2. Only and only if you see it trading above 77.2, you can consider that it is reversed. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now on the hourly chart, certainly NG is trading bullish, trading with divergence, and it is trading above the 20 period moving average, which is right now, which is going to give it a support here at 2.65 level. So once it trades below 2.65, you can sell for 2.6. Once it trades below 2.65, you can sell for 2.6. Very very strong support, and only if it stays below 2.6, you can expect that it may try to trade bearish. So 2.65 good sell zone, 2.75 is a good buying zone, above which you can consider that it is trying to rise. Directional movement bullish, stochastic at bottom, the MACD divergent and bearish on the hourly charts. Probably it may try to retrace a little on the downside before looking upwards again. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see bottom here is little far, and if you look at this, it is expanded so far, so possibly it may try to stretch the drop for a little while till 2.6 levels or below. RSI looking down, and if you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts it is trying to trade with a slight drop. Rather, you can sell here at 2.68, expect 2.65, 2.6 levels as the next support, and below which only confirm for a bearishness. So sell at 2.68, that should be good. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought looking down. The MACD here is on the verge of a crossover. This might bring little bearishness here. RSI is also trying to look down, and if you look at 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, see it is trying to break this consolidation zone, either which is gives a breakout above 2.75, certainly a buy. Below 2.68 you can sell, but then do not consider this as bearish till 2.6 levels. Probably it can reverse retrace again on the upside. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is in green, trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is overbought here on the 3-hour charts as well, and on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the previous two candles, consolidation, lower highs. Previous candle did not had any bullishness, and this candle, which is an ongoing candle, is trading in red. Possibly this is the first red candle. I'll wait for the next candle, and once it stays below 2.6564 zone, certainly little more bearishness, and then I'll wait for 2.6 to be breached in order to confirm the bearishness. Till the time it is not bearish at all. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is looking upward, the MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is trading overbought here. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see, firstly the previous candle is coming with a good base, and now it is trying to leave a wick on the upside, which means once the new candle opens flat, tries to trade on the upside, we can see a good bullish move here. So 2.6 to 2.7, this time it may try to break on the upside above 2.8 levels, which is the next resistance zone, and then we might wait for it to fill the gap there. Now the gap lies between 2.8 and 2.9 zone, which might get filled here. So possibly you have to wait a little. Yes, you can take a buy entry here at 2.6, 2.75 level, sorry, and on the downside you can sell at 2.68. In between these zero point 0.7 cents, do $0.7, do not trade. And on the upside, if you are taking a buy at 2.75, wait for it to break past 2.8 first target, 2.8684 zone the next target, and then 2.92 levels will be seen. Beyond that, $3 is the ultimate resistance. Also, on the downside, you can sell here at 2.68, first support at 2.65, then at 2.6. Only for the day, if you see it trading below 2.6, you can expect that it is trying to trade bearish 2.55, 2.5, and below that 2.4, the ultimate support will be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.